Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Bybit on a desktop or laptop because the QR and secret key display is easiest there. Once logged in, go to Account then Security and select Google Authenticator. You already installed the app on your phone, so tap the plus icon. Make sure to have a pen and secure location ready for the secret key that appears. Write it down or save an encrypted snapshot. This step starts the link between your account and the Authenticator app. Next, you either scan the QR code displayed by Bybit with the Google Authenticator camera or tap manual entry to paste the secret key. Either method creates a 6-digit rotating code. Once done, make sure your phone's time is synced automatically. Incorrect device time causes invalid codes. Then enter the current 6-digit code from the app into Bybit and submit promptly because codes change every 30 seconds. If the code accepts, you've linked the app to your Finally, complete the verification prompt on Bybit to activate Google Authenticator. You should also enable 2FA requirements for critical actions like withdrawals and API keys. Make absolutely sure your recovery codes or the secret key copy are stored offline and safe. They are the only way to restore access if your phone is lost. If anything goes wrong, first sync your phone's time, then try rescanning the QR or re-entering the saved secret. That resolves most issues quickly and keeps your account secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.